a counterbalance valve work? Counterbalance valves are essential in maintaining stability and control in hydraulic systems, especially in load-holding applications. But how exactly do they work? The main valve is crucial in controlling the flow of hydraulic fluid, acting as a gatekeeper that regulates fluid movement according to system demands. In a hydraulic elevator system, the main valve directs fluid to either raise or lower the elevator car smoothly. When the elevator ascends, the valve allows pressurized fluid into the lift cylinder, and when descending, it controls the fluid release for a safe descent. The pilot pressure port allows the valve to be controlled by external signals from the hydraulic system, enabling precise regulation of the valve's operation. For example, in a hydraulic excavator, the operator's controls send pilot pressure signals to the valve, which dictates the movement of the excavator's arm. This ensures that the arm can lift heavy loads, maneuver accurately, and perform complex tasks with precision. A spring is used to set the pressure at which a valve will open, with its tension determining the threshold pressure for fluid flow. In a hydraulic press used for metal forming, the spring is calibrated to maintain a specific pressure level, ensuring consistent force during operation. If the spring tension is too low, the press may not generate enough force, while too high tension could cause excessive pressure, risking damage to the press or the workpiece. The check valve allows fluid to flow freely in one direction while blocking flow in the opposite direction unless the counterbalance valve is activated. This prevents backflow that could cause instability. In a mobile crane, the check valve permits fluid flow to extend the boom but blocks it during retraction unless the counterbalance valve is engaged. This mechanism ensures the boom doesn't collapse in case of a sudden loss of hydraulic pressure, maintaining safe operation. How does a counterbalance valve work according to its principle? The counterbalance valve's working principle is important if you want to learn how does a counterbalance valve work. These principles explain not just what the valve does, but how and why it does it. It offers deeper insights that are essential for various practical and theoretical applications. Here are the working principles of a counterbalance and how each works. Mastering these components and principles helps in learning how does a counterbalance work. If you wish to purchase counterbalance valves, you can buy them here at HFD Hydraulic. Thank you for watching.